Hang on a second. What is computer science? That's what I'm here to explain. While computer science might be self-explanatory, like yeah, of course you already guessed that it's something to do with computers and science. There's much more than that. So listen closely. What is computer science? Computer science is the study of computers and their use and theory. There are other topics in the area of computer science like AI, artificial intelligence, computer security, building computers, coding and programming, and software engineering and developing, just to name a few. In this video, we will be focusing on coding and programming. So we're going to do it like this. We're going to split it into 3 groups, right? So we're going to have the introduction. So we'll have that up here. Then we'll have programming languages. So coding languages around here and resources. Okay, so how does coding really work? Okay, so first you input some code, then it processes it. So over here it says write line, hello world, which means to print out hello world. Then processes it and out comes hello world. That is the basic principle of how coding works. You input code, and once the code is inputted, the computer processes it. Okay, now I'll explain it on camera. Well, yeah, it's easier. Okay, so I'll make a model. Okay, so I finally made it, and here it is. So this is how it looks like. It's a computer. Yeah, it looks like a computer. And see, we have this code over here being inputted into the computer. This is the output on the screen. Okay, so just let the real Jacob explain everything. Okay, we will now focus on programming languages. There are literally thousands of programming languages that exist. Yes, thousands. Some of the well-known ones are Java, C, C++, and C#, and one of the basic kids versions is Scratch. Yes, Scratch block coding. Okay, so you might have a question, and that is, or if no one's already asked this, and that is, what is the difference between coding and programming? Well, I have a bit of a simple answer to that. Coding and programming is quite the same thing, except programming is a bit more easier, and coding is where you have to type everything on the computer. You have to type everything down word by word. And programming usually is like you have a interface and usually like drag and drop things, and you have like blocks of code. Okay, I forgot to mention this, but this is a sort of programming interface, so robotic arm up here, and I have the robotic arm interface. I've made a quick program, and I have the robotic arm here ready for the program, and I've already programmed it, just done a couple of things up here, just done some basic programming, and I'm going to start it. So here we go. No hands. That's the end of the program. So that's just a basic sort of programming interface you'd find on this sort of robotic arm here. Okay, we are now at the end of the video. Well, we're nearly at the end of the video, but I just wanted to say, hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. If you didn't, then feel free to ask questions at the end of this video, of course. So yeah, now for the ending titles, I guess. Okay, and off it is to the other Jacob then. What is computer science? What is computer science?